guys, and welcome back to my channel, C Panda Crafts. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Wendy. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Today I have a massive Halloween Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. I can't believe October is in like a few days. That is crazy. So I definitely have a lot of DIYs to catch up on for the month of October, and hopefully I can get some of those videos out to you guys. So I'm gonna try not to ramble too much in this video because I have a lot of things to get through. So let's go ahead and just get started. All right, so the first items I'm gonna share with you guys are these stickers, or these wall window clings. I think they are so cute. This is like a little witch theme. And then another witch theme. I really like this one. I love this image, and I got these to use like for my kids to decorate like the bathroom mirrors and windows and everything, and then I'll just use the leftovers in my junk journal. This one was super. They had a ton of these, but I just chose 3 because I'm trying to control myself. And then I also picked up 2 cards, and these I will be using in my junk journal. This one just says Happy Halloween, and it has this really vintage feel to it. I really liked this one, and these were 2 for $1. And then this really cute owl. I love him. And this next item, these next 3 items are these cute little boxes. This one says poisons, and I really like this one. There's 3 different sizes. So in the next size I picked up was this size, and it says Halloween tricks and treats. And then here is just the front, back, or the spine of that one. And then the last one I got was this one. It says spells, potions, and creepy concoctions. And so these are so cute, and they'll look really cute in my Halloween decor. The next thing I got were 4 of the felt skull placemats, or what are these? It just says decor, but I think I'm going to use these in my tablescape. They do have a little bit of glitter on them. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on camera, which is not, it's not horrible. You guys, most of you know how I feel about glitter. I'm not a huge fan of all the glitter on the Dollar Tree decor. Like this next piece, I wish they would have excluded the glitter, but again, it's not so bad to where I don't think it's cute. I think it will look really cute on my front porch. So I got this, and I think I'm going to try to DIY this somehow. All right, this is not a Halloween item, but I plan on using it in a Halloween DIY, and it is just an 8x10 black frame. As well as this next item, it's just a book. This is Champion of the World. I'm assuming it's about boxing. And I'm just planning on using the book for a Halloween DIY. I like to buy Dollar Tree books to use in DIYs and also for junk journaling. And if you guys have never heard of junk journaling, I have a playlist on my page. Just you can go ahead and click on that. I'll also leave like a link at the end of this video of what is junk journaling if you're interested. I also got these really cute decor pieces. This one says trick or treat, and I love the lettering, and I love the skull. And then it just has this pattern, and these are hangable. It has this little piece to hang. And then I got this one. It just says Happy Halloween, and I love the little polka dots and the polka dot pumpkins. I got 2 ivory colored candlesticks for a DIY, and I also got this really cute little what do we call this? A coffin. It's a little treat box, so inside it has like this little mummy, and I just think this is so cute. I love Dollar Tree's little gift boxes and things like that. I got 4 of these placemats to go with my Halloween tablescape. And you could also use these, you could sew them together as a runner, or you could even make these, I've seen people make these into like little decorative throw pillows. So lots of possibilities with these little table mats or placemats. I got one of these creepy cloths in, I guess, the white, or what color is this? Like ivory color, I'm not sure, but linen color. And they also had, I think, black and gray, but I chose to go with this color. And with this you get, it's 30 by 72 inches. I got 4 of these pumpkin spice candles, and these are like the tall ones. I already hauled the tea lights, but I also got, I decided to pick up these. They were out of the, at the Dollar Tree that I went to, they were out of the Halloween like floral. They don't really have a lot for Halloween, but I did manage to pick up these little picks, and these are like just like little sparkly black branches, and I think these are going to be really cute in my decor. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could see what my pants look like right now. I am covered in glitter. That's why I don't like the glitter, because it gets everywhere. It gets all over my, if I touch my face, it gets all, I'm like glittery for the rest of the day. Speaking of glitter, these are a 4-pack of these little glittered bat clips. They come with like a little alligator clip on the back. So yeah, anything with glitter from the Dollar Tree, definitely hairspray it down just to help the fallout a bit, so you're not covered in glitter. I also got this black light party bulb. It is 60 watts to put on my front porch. I got 2 packs of Spanish moss for a DIY. I think this color is more fitting than the green moss for Halloween DIYs. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this cute pumpkin pie. It's like it's the recipe to a pumpkin pie. It's a pumpkin pie recipe. And I just think this little tea towel is so cute. I can't resist the little tea towels that Dollar Tree comes out with. This is so cute. So you could use this during Halloween and Thanksgiving. And then I got this really cute Gather cup. I love these little reusable cups from the Dollar Tree. This is, it's a tumbler. I'm not sure if it's BPA free, but it's not microwave or dishwasher safe. So just be aware of that. But I love this. It says Gather on it, and it's that same print that we saw on like the little pot holders and tea towels. And I love coffee. I love hot coffee. I love iced coffee. So I think this is going to be really cute to take out like when we go to the pumpkin patch or apple picking or anything like that. This is going to be super cute. The next item I got was this little half skeleton. It almost looks like an x-ray, and it's just a little candle holder. I've been looking for the white one, or it's like almost clear with I think the same design on it, but they didn't have it. Next, I got 4 of these little goblets with the little skeleton hand. They are plastic, and then they have like the spider web detail on the bottom. And I think these are going to look really cool on my tablescape. I got 2 of these little candle holders. They have, or tea light holders. They have these all the time at the Dollar Tree, but I think for Halloween, these are going to look super cool because they have like kind of like this gothic feel to them. So I got 2 of those. Got 2 more of the glass candlesticks. These are out all the time, all year round at Dollar Tree. I use these all the time for DIYs. And these, this time I think I'm going to actually use this what they're intended for, and that's to hold those tall candlesticks. I got 4 of just regular black bread plates, and I think I'm going to do like a Mod Podge DIY on these. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on the actual plates or on the charger plates, but I do plan on incorporating these in my tablescape. You guys, I got 8 skulls. I'm not going to hold all of them up, but I got 8 of these plastic skulls for a DIY, and I don't know if it's going to show on camera or how well it's going to show the difference, but there are 3 different colors or designs. They all pretty much have the same face, but they are different in color. This one has more of a yellow. This one has more of a yellow tone. This one has more of like a beige and gray tone. And then the one I dropped on the floor has more of a dark gray tone. So I do plan on using these in a DIY. All right, you guys, so for these next items, they are not from the Dollar Tree, but I thought I would include them in this haul because they are from Walmart and they were all 98 cents, which is actually lower price than Dollar Tree items. So the first thing I got was this cute little black pumpkin. And it just has a glitter stem. I also got these cookie cutters, and they were also all of these items were 98 cents a piece. So I got a little pumpkin, a little bat, and a little ghost. And these are going to be perfect to make cookies as well. I think I want to like start making dog treats, like cute little dog treats out of these little cookie cutters. I also got this 50 pack of cupcake papers, and I love the little design on this one. Really cute. I don't know if you can tell, but the top has like this black and white stripes. It's really cute. I got this 18 pack of paper treat bags. These are so cute. I love the design on them. And I don't know if there's 4 different designs. Okay, I thought they were all the same design. So I don't know if you can see it that well, but these are the 4 different designs you get. But I really like this one. This is the one I really like. And then there's another design on the back. So these are so cute. You can make your own like little treat sacks for events. I know with Cub Scouts, I plan on doing something for them, as well as you can do stuff for school. And I'm also planning on using some of these in my junk journal. Then I got these 15 pack of silhouette cutouts, and these are the Raven. And I am doing a Raven Edgar Allan Poe theme for my Halloween decor this year. And then I also got a 15 pack of owl silhouettes. So these, honestly, I could probably make these with my CRICUT, but just the paper alone, I think I would spend more than 98 cents making it myself. So I think these are an awesome value. Then I got 2 of these leaf bags for my son to fill up when he rakes the leaves. I remember doing this as a kid. We did this every year, and it was so fun. I mean, it made the chore a little bit more fun. And then the last thing I got from Walmart was this 10 pack of doilies, and they're little spiders. I just think they're so cute. And I do plan on incorporating this in my tablescape somehow, as well as using some in my junk journal. All right, guys, well, that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This gets me so excited for Halloween and the holidays. Let me know if you guys plan on dressing up and what you're dressing up as, or what your family is dressing up as. My kids usually are the ones to dress up, but this year I felt like I wanted to do like a family theme and dress up with them. So we are going to be dressing up as the Addams Family, and my son is going to be Cousin It. My daughter is going to be Wednesday. My husband is going to be Gomez, and I'm going to be Morticia. So I'm super excited to put together our costumes and everything. So yeah. So let me know if you guys do plan on dressing up. I'd love to know down in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would hope you would consider doing so. I would love to have you here on my channel as part of my YouTube family. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye!